Okay, you can see how it goes in there. This little plastic piece fractured off. This piece isn't supposed to come out. And this is supposed to be the other contact for the batteries. This goes on here, but I think what happens is it either gets too tight or something, and it's just a crappy design, because anybody's going to snug it up tight and try to loosen it, and what it does is it turns this and it breaks the whole assembly. So junk. I got about a year and a half, 2 years out of it, and it's junk, so I'm not satisfied.